Why do photographers sometimes put their name on photos? Let's talk about four main reasons. Reason number one, decoration. Sometimes a photographer thinks a nice sign or a frame can make the photo look better. But there are two things to think about here. First, after a while, even a nice sign can be old. You might look at your old photos and feel bad about the sign you added. Second, when you add something extra, it can take away from the photo itself. People might get distracted, especially if the extra thing is too big. Some photos might look good with a special style, but it's best if a photo is good without adding anything. The second reason to sign photos is to show their importance. This is when a photographer wants their work to be taken more seriously. By styling the photo in a special way, they hint to the viewer that it is the result of hard, dedicated work, not just some random everyday shot found online. After all, no one adds frame or signature to casual snapshots. But famous photographers often don't sign their photos, so a signature might make a photographer look less professional. Reason number three, safety. Some photographers put their name on photos so no one steals their work. But using a signature isn't a strong protection. It's easy to remove a signature from a photo today. Sure, you can put a big watermark across your photo to thieves don't want to bother. But that ruins the photo for viewers. To protect your work, it's better to do things like making your online photos smaller resolution and keeping the original safe. But the best way is to take photos no one else can. No one can steal the unique touch you bring to a photo. Reason number four, information. You put your name on a photo so if someone likes it, they can find your other photos. But the key here is if they want to. Your name should be hidden so it doesn't distract. With modern image searchers, it's easy to find the creator of the photo. You don't need a signature for that. It's good to post your photos on many online platforms. The more places you share photos, the more people will know it's yours. To sum up, this reason might have made sense in the past. You can find old photos with signatures online. Even my brother and I tried this before. This can make beginners think it's what photographers do. But nowadays, most photographers don't sign their artistic works. Signatures, information or protection methods are old-fashioned now. This video is mainly for people new to photography who wonder if they should sign their photos before posting. Our opinion? Don't. We hope this video helps and that it's one less thing for you to worry about.